Hi everyone. Since my last video, Max has had the bandage on his foot removed. As you can see in the photo, the wound has healed really nicely and there's just a small scab where they removed the nail. To be honest, he doesn't really seem to care that one of his nails is missing. I think he's just really relieved to have the bandage off. The bandage made it quite difficult for him to walk and grip onto things, so I think he just feels really liberated now. He couldn't use perches while he was injured, but now we've been able to reintroduce a low perch into his cage and he's very happy about that. We've given him a new rope perch that he can hopefully grip onto easily. We've also put paper on the sides of his cage so he doesn't try to climb up and hurt himself. We think he may have ripped his nail climbing around the cage. Since he has arthritis in his feet, he might have moved awkwardly and hurt himself. So we've covered the sides as a precaution, but we'll remove the paper soon and add some more perches. So even though it was quite scary and stressful when Max injured himself, we've had a very positive outcome and he seems to be adapting very well to life with one less nail.